this is my Rubik's Mini that I showed last video. And I am attempting to solve it in a time lapse. So, I have my timer, which is literally a phone. I'll set up the timer first. So, my timer is primed, and I will solve the cube. No cheats! So, okay, I am attempting to solve it. See this time lapse? It'll make you go mad. Let's go. I am solving the Rubik's Mini, and it's already done, showing off the cube. So I have successfully solved the Rubik's Mini in about the same time as solving Rubik's Cube. 1:02:19. So the time is, yes, pretty good, and I have just been doing the Rubik's Mini for 2 days, and the time is so good. I don't even believe it. So subscribe if you want the time to improve to a speed of up to 15 seconds. Please subscribe and like the video down below.